Alright, well this is going to be like just a bit of a carb talk. Has a brand new Edelbrock carburetor on a 318 Chrysler motor. Old 70s motor. What happened was, had a shop kind of do some work, and it had a thermal quad on it, which I like, but they didn't, so they put this carburetor on. But I noticed when I drove the car, it had absolutely no power. And I knew this motor combo was good. I had it in another car. It was actually heavier, so it should have been faster in this car. See my on the scam. But what I noticed is when you, and this is something you always want to check when you put a carburetor on, is you want to have full movement of your linkage. So this is your kick down, and then this is your throttle cable. You want to check that all this stuff works. And then you go full throttle, and then you want to look down your barrels and see that you're going full throttle. And yeah, well, this one wasn't. It was going about quarter throttle. So kind of use the original carb. They had this hokey spacer on here, and you know, it's probably not really their fault, because I actually looked at Edelbrock, and this is the recommended spread bore, which this is spread bore. So you got small primaries, big old dumping carburetor back barrels there, beautiful. And yeah, so you can see it covers it up. So I'll get the bolt holes halfway lined up. And then when you hit the throttle, they would hit, and you couldn't get maybe quarter. I mean, I was actually like running on quarter throttle. So not only did I not have any back barrels on that carburetor, I only had about quarter throttle. So yeah, and they had some, you know, they put the crap on there too. So anyway, I ended up taking the original spacer off that thermal quad, which is kind of nice because it's kind of a thicker spacer. Put that on, and now I've got full stroke there. Got the back barrels that kind of work once in a while. It's vacuum secondaries. And typical of these carburetors, you can't really get the choke. I don't like running a whole lot of choke. I live in the South, I don't need a whole lot of choke. But if you back the choke all the way out, and you can see I'm already off the map there. The fast idle's not picking up. Not really too bad, but it's annoying. Anyway, yeah, kind of pay attention to what you're doing. That's kind of like a car 101 thing, is check all your linkages, check your clearance, make sure you go 100%. You want to have somebody get in the car, step on the gas real slow. Make sure all that stuff works, you know. Nobody wants to drive around quarter throttle. Anyway, that's the Carb 101. Thank you.